This is a Montana High Country 376 FL. It is the coolest floor plan I've ever seen. It is a standard front living room with the dual opposing slides, nice fireplace, huge front window, and the power TV. In the kitchen, we've got an enormous U-shaped dinette that's all new. You've got the dinette and RV refrigerator on a slide. And wait till you see the rest of this bedroom, because it's mind-blowing what they've done here. So stay tuned, watch the rest of this video. Can't wait to show you. Alright guys, here we have the front living room with the dual slides, sofas in both, beautiful fireplace in the middle. You got your radio, speakers, and then you've got a TV that's going to pop up right here, which is super cool. You got this nice big front window, makes you feel like you're in a castle. This thing is huge. It does have a nice block on it, so it's going to keep that sun out. Got some storage on the side here with the nice diamond shapes on it. Look what I just found. We got power. That is an LED 4K TV. Oh yeah. Nice big windows with the daytime roller shades. I'm sorry, with the nighttime roller shades. Over here you got your theater seats straight across from your television. They are power recliners, Thomas Paine edition. And they even are thinking about you lovebirds. You can take this little cup holder out and get all snuggled up. Another little nice side window there. One thing I want to point out, you have USB ports. You can charge your devices. Same with over here on this couch. Nice USB ports. Then your theater seats are going to have the USB charging station within your control. You also have outlets back behind that. So wait till you see the rest of this coach. This thing is super cool. This is one of the coolest floor plans I've ever seen. Nice huge kitchen, nice solid surface countertops. Down here you've got these chairs and also a spot designated for your shoes. That's huge. There's hardly anybody that's doing that. So this is the RV refrigerator. So it's a 12 cubic foot, double door, double fridge, double freezer, with the matching panels to the rest of the Mystic Ash, as they call it. Camp ready. Over here at the dinette, it has 4 chairs that are pretty plush compared to what they used to be. So there is actually some cushion there. You've got your add-a-leaf that slides out about 8-10 inches. So it's in travel mode right now, and it has a button to lock it in place so that it doesn't slide all over. You do have this nice LED lighting under the countertops, which is super cool. Just look at this kitchen. This is awesome. Yes, this is an RV. Plenty of overhead cabinetry, that nice big square window. The 80/20 sink, and check it out, they got you a nice GE electric instead of that High Point microwave. Still a standard microwave, not a convection until you jump into Montana, but I'll tell you what, that's huge. It's nice. I think you guys are gonna love that one. Beautiful backsplash, nice solid real pieces. That's not some sticker, that's actually a durable backsplash. Peek at this sink, 80/20 residential style sprayer. You even got a window that opens here in the kitchen so you can yell at the kids. Tell them, get in line. Dinner's ready. Still got the Furrion appliance here. The triple burner on the top. Wow, that's tight. Okay, that's super nice. Also, this acts as a backsplash so you don't have to worry about cleaning that tile off all the time. Auto ignite, so you don't have to worry about burning your arm hairs. Storage, yep, check. Checkity check. Look at that, you even got a trash can. So one thing Montana's really known for is having a designated spot for your covers of your sink. As you can see, those are your water lines, and they are running through the floor. I've talked about this in some of my past videos. So these actually will run right beside the heat. So it's a a radiant heat that qualifies this for 0-degree living. Just some more drawers all throughout. They're all the same, I promise. It's nice, there's nothing plumbing wise or anything in the way there to take up that space. Let's check them out up here. Whew. Huge. Very nice. It's nice that there is no divider here so that you can actually put a serious sized pot or anything. I have no idea what you guys put up there. Let me know in the comments below. And you got this nice, whoo, baby, look at that. It's got some depth. Very nice. So here's your control for your max air fan and your thermostat. Max air fan is right there doing its thing. So while we're talking about fans, they have a new switch for the ceiling fan, and I will show you that right now. Be back behind door number 1. So you got speed 1 and then speed off, speed 2. Black tank heaters, that's a standard on Montana, so is Solar Prep. All of your switches are labeled now. I won't bore you with going through all those. One other thing they did change though, you got this nice plate for your solar controller, so you don't have to worry about cutting your hole now. They used to just put a sticker there and say, good luck, have at it, but now they actually have installed a plate, which is super cool. Just some more storage all throughout. So this is made to sleep 2, 4, 6, 8 to 10 people, so you gotta have a lot of storage, right? They definitely hit the mark on this one. Nice little motion sensor light. Boom! Right there. So this is your Whisper Quiet air conditioner that I forgot to hit on when I was up here. The one in the back is going to be a drop-in unit, but it is still ducted. So this is going to represent, since it is the Whisper Quiet, that is where the heat pump is at. So you've got a heat source from your electric and the heat pump, and then also from your fireplace. So if you're, you know, mid-fall or mid-spring camping, this is going to be very comfortable for you. Alright, now I'm going to show you the coolest part of it all. You got this super sweet side entrance. You can open up your bathroom. You can be doing your business and talk to your neighbor. Yep. Back to this, but real quick I want to show you. Okay, so you're stepping up in. There's your bathroom. Cool. This is so cool. Look at that. Motion sensor lights going up into this loft. Let me step back. That's your master bedroom. Don't peek yet. Check it out. This is a child's paradise up here. Humongous. There's probably 3.5 feet of headspace up here. I mean, I'm 6'1", and I'm getting around pretty comfortable. So there is your other air conditioner I was just talking about. It's all ducted. Got the nice roller shade, slow rise. Let's see what we got back here. Just some storage, plenty of place for clothes, maybe some toys. That is pretty neat. Look at that. They've put USB and outlets on that side, and then some USB and outlets on this side. So I'm wondering, pretty curious if they actually put TV prep in here. Oh my, they sure did. Check that out. It's got a backer plate in the wall. You've got your outlet and cable hookup. Man, there's no wonder that they are the #1 selling for 18 years in a row. They think, but oh, that was fun. I felt like a kid again. All right, now let's go check out Mom and Dad's room. So, nice, super sturdy rail. Dun, 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 dun. Master bedroom. So I was running in and out here a couple times before I shot this video, and there's a step here, and I was really concerned that I was going to hit my head on, you know, that loft up above. So I am give or take 6'1" with shoes on, right? So I'm just walking in here casual as can be, and I don't have to worry about that hitting my head, not one bit. Let's see if I can bring that down. Okay. Just kind of give you an idea. Stepping up the step, and boom, pretty sweet. They think of it all, I'll tell you. Alright, I'm gonna quit being so distracted in this thing. I'm just super excited about it. King size bed, got the dual lights, got two daytime or nighttime rollers. So before I step in here, TV prep, thermostat, light switch, outlets down there, yada yada yada. Washer dryer prep. Yes, there is still room for a washer and dryer. It's probably not the most economical, but check it out. They still did it. They still did it. They sure did. Do have storage under the bed. Ooh, look at that. So there's your central vacuum hose, which is brand new for the 10th anniversary Montana High Countries. Now, let's take a look at this wardrobe. Look how big that opens up. Wow. That is massive, super massive. So you got a nice hanging rod, you've got shelf space on the top. And I don't know what you would put in here, just hang a bunch of stuff. Probably. So you might be thinking like, well, why wouldn't they put any storage down here? Maybe some drawers. I'll tell you, you've got that outside storage. Super nice. Super, super, super. Nice wardrobe. And that's a wrap. That was the 376 Montana High Country front living room with the all new loft above the master bedroom. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you have not, and I will see you guys soon.